Hello and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own poultry seasoning. Here are the ingredients. Okay, we have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram, 3/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 2.5 teaspoons of ground sage. Sometimes poultry seasoning, they're a bit iffy with regards to their ingredients. So why not just make your own, right? Here I have double the quantities I showed you, just because it's easier to blend on a big blender like this. So if you want to use the recipe I gave you, you can use a smaller blender with a smaller carafe or bottle, whatever you want to call this, or just double up the recipe, and I guess that means that you won't have to make any more anytime soon, which is good. So you're just going to blend all of that up really well. High speed, about 30 seconds. Okay, that's done. And you're looking for a powder. That smells gorgeous. I'm just going to pour it into here. And this will keep for as long as your other herbs and spices will keep. And it's so delicious. You can use this anywhere where you like all of these herbs and spices, or whenever you want a poultry flavored seasoning. This is the one. Soups, wherever you like. So there you have it, your very own poultry seasoning. See you next time.